Welcome to my day in the life video. I'm gonna get in the truck, but I just kind of wanted to start off with a couple of facts about the whole Amazon situation. I do deliver Amazon packages, but I do not work for Amazon. I work for a different company that contracts to Amazon. So I work for a company called Distribution Logistics, and we deliver for Amazon. So like you guys saw, I get up, warm my car up, get in here, and make sure that I have a trolley that I bought with my own money. So I have it with me every day that I come to work. And then I also bring my backpack with me, so I'll show you guys like what I have with me today. Yeah, so when we come in, we go to our vans and we make sure that there's no scratches and things. So we have to fill out this report. If there are any scratches, you want to mark it on this paper. So what I'm going to do now is just go around the vehicle and make sure there's no major things. If there is, then I'm going to put it on this paper. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to get in the van. Alright guys, so I'm in the van and I'm finishing filling out this. I'm putting down the mileage and everything. And we can't actually move the vans right now. I'm just kind of making sure everything's straight with the van. And then I'm gonna go back into the warehouse and just wait for our time to get started to load it up. So these are the vans that we use, and they rent these vans from Enterprise. So if you can see, like on that van it says Enterprise, so they rent them. I guess it's just easier for them because we put so many miles on these vans every day that if they were to have their own vans, they would probably like run them into the ground pretty quickly. So I can understand why they use rental vans. So we always have to have these vests on, supposedly. When we're in the warehouse, we have to definitely have them on. But when we're out on the street, I actually take mine off. But for the sake of this video, I will keep it on for a little bit. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys basically what I do every day. I might try to film a little bit on my phone in the warehouse, because obviously I can't be obvious with the camera, like trying to film stuff, you know. So yeah, stay tuned for this day in the life video. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I will see you guys a little bit later. But the van is not too big, the one I have today, so hopefully the route that I get is okay. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys like a little bit of what I bring to work with me. So first things first, I bring a water bottle, and obviously you want to stay hydrated while doing a job like this. So that's the first thing, is a water bottle that you want to bring with you. Alright, so today I didn't bring lunch. Usually I do bring lunch, but I just didn't have things at the house to bring with me. So I just brought an apple, and I bought some crackers. And then later on I'll just get some lunch somewhere. And every day I have to bring like my chargers for my phone. So, and actually I bring some headphones because you know, you want to occupy yourself with some music or podcast or something. So I just like plug my stuff in. My headphones, I think they're not charged, so I'm just gonna plug it in and get it going. Hopefully this charger works. Sometimes, okay, yeah, it does work, so thank God. So yeah, I'm good to go. The red light is on. And I bring, the other day I had to buy a charger for the Rabbit. That's another thing. They can be kind of unorganized, the company that I work for, and they don't have chargers for the newer Rabbits. I'm going to show you guys what the Rabbit is later once I get it, but it's basically a scanner, and they didn't have any cords, so I ended up having to go buy one. So now I just keep this with me. I am going to go back into the warehouse and I'll be back once like we get everything together. So as you guys can see, I went to my section and I picked my routes. So every day you come in, you get a list, and this is going to be my route for today. So today I have 4 carts, and this basically shows you what zone it is and then how many packages for each zone. So that's what it shows you. I don't know my totals yet. I'll have to wait until I get my scanner, my Rabbit. But I'm gonna show you guys basically what it's like to load the truck. And you know, every day you come in, you might get a different route. So most likely you're gonna get a different route. So depending on what you have, you may have like 3 carts, 4 carts, 5, 6. It just depends. Just depend on how heavy your route is for the day. But today I'm working with 4, so it's not too bad. So I'm gonna sit you guys down somewhere and probably just speed it up. So right now I'm missing 2 bags, so I'm gonna have to go back in and look for those, and then go get my Rabbit and use the bathroom, and then I'll be back with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so apparently another driver had my 2 bags that I told you guys I was missing, and since I had already loaded up, I just had to bring it through the front of here. So sometimes that happens, things get, you know, misplaced or unorganized, or another driver has it. But I went, used the bathroom, and I got my Rabbit. This is the Rabbit, aka scanner, phone, pretty much all we need to deal with the packages. I'm gonna log in, and then I'm gonna show you guys like what my route is looking like, because I have no idea like how much packages I have today. So I'm gonna log in. This is the Amazon Flex app, and it's signing in right now, so it's just loading. So what it's gonna do is basically ask you what your starting mileage is, and so I just put that in, and then it's gonna say swipe to finish to verify that you have 257 packages. So I'm gonna swipe to finish. And then I can basically go into my itinerary. I can see how many packages I have, how many stops I have for today. Alright, so basically I can click on the menu button right here in the corner. Today's itinerary. And then it's going to basically show me my stops for the day. When I click on summary, it's showing me that I have 185 stops today with 257 packages. So kind of high, kind of a lot, but it's the job. Since I've been here for a year, they've increased the package count. When I first started, routes were like really sweet and we used to get off early, but now it's just like we have to expect like a 12-hour day or 10-hour day or something like that. So what I'll usually do is just hook up the charger I'll hook up the charger just until I get to my first stop, and then, you know, throughout the day I'll have to keep trying to plug it back in.
Head southeast towards Dover Road, then turn left.
It's basically a GPS, so it's gonna tell you, let me exit out. It'll tell you like how many minutes it's gonna be to your stop.
Towards Dover Road, then turn left.
And I usually just turn it down because it can be kind of annoying.
Head southeast towards Dover Road, then turn left.
Alright, so this is how I have the front of my truck. I usually put my first zone up here, and then my next ones I'll have them like right in the middle, and then I'll work that row to the left and then that row to the right, and then, you know, go back and then work the middle and then the other side. So I will kind of just let you guys see me doing my thing, and pretty much that's gonna be pretty much it. So I will see you guys a little bit, you know, you'll see me do my thing, do my job. So going on my lunch break, and I started my route at 10 o'clock, and I've done so far 71 stops, and I've been working for 3 hours. I have 115 stops left. So it's 1 o'clock. I'm about to go on break, and then I'll see you guys after that, after I get done eating and back on my route. Okay guys, so turn this down real quick. So I went to lunch, and now it's like a couple hours later. Right now it's 3:30 almost, and I'm gonna see where I'm at, how much I have left. So I have still to do 73 stops and 95 packages, and it's 3:30. So it's gonna be a long day today. I'd probably say maybe 3 or so more hours of work, and I'll just show you guys like what it's looking like back here. So right now I'm on the second row. First row is all done. I'm on the second row, and I'm on like my second bag of the second row, and then those are the boxes that I have left. So yeah, it's not too much left, and this is how the day goes. I started at 10 on my first stop, and I've done what, probably 4.5 hours. Nah, probably 5 hours, just because I did take a break about a half an hour. So I've done 5 hours of work. I've done about 110 stops. These are our days. Little FYI, we only work 4 days, so that's why our days are kind of long, because we only work 4 days a week instead of 5. So yeah, trying to knock this out, and I'll come back with the update a little bit later on time, just to kind of see like what time I get off and all of that. So yeah. My last bag right now. It's 6:07, and this is all I have right here, and then I have 2 bigger boxes back there, and then I'm done for the day. So as you can see, it's getting a bit dark now and getting late, but it seems like I'm gonna finish before it gets too dark. So I will pick you guys up once I'm completely done with my route. So, yeah. I am done for the night. Officially done at 6:33 p.m. you guys. So it's been about 8 hours of work, because I did take a half an hour break. So 8 hours of work. I delivered 257 packages and 185 stops. So it's been a long day, but I'm really tired. So now what I basically do is go back to the office. Sorry for turning that light off. Go back to the office. Usually we have to call back beforehand and let them know, but usually like on the way back I'll just call them and let them know I'm done. I'm on my way back. Alright guys, so just a little update. It's the end of the night. It's 7:13. I just made it to my car. When we get back to the station, we have to take all the bags out of the car, and then we have to get our vehicle checked, so they have to make sure there's no damages on it. But then after that, you just gotta fill out your paperwork and then leave. So it kind of is a process when you get back. But it's 7:13. I'm done for the night. It's been what? I've been up since 6:15 this morning. So it's been 13 hours that I've been up, and then it's been like about 11 hours that I was working. So yeah, I'm really tired and I'm ready to go. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about working for Amazon or delivering for Amazon, leave them down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.